Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1958th edition of Short-Term Day Trading live with Oscar. Hello, traders. Hello, Omniacs. How you doing, fans? I'm so excited to be here. Let me say this. Ho, Steve, Dano, Dakota, Vince, David, Tony, thank you guys so much for being around tonight. You know what? You gave me so much time. Love you guys. Thank you for the help. I'm sure this is going to go really far, so I really appreciate you guys, and love you to death, man. Thank you so much. Don't know what else to say, but thanks, man. I need you. So I appreciate your help this evening. For you traders that weren't at the meeting, the staff meeting, you're going to need to be careful about the risks involved in this business. It is a very risky business, trading, day trading, long-term trading, short-term trading, options trading, futures trading, you name it, ETFs. Very dangerous in today's environment. Never trade without money that is earmarked to be lost. Never trade without money you can absolutely afford to lose. If you can't afford to lose it, you shouldn't put it in your trading account. Never trade without stops. And what's coming at you next, if you like what you're about to hear, if you like what's in these videos, if you like the way I present this analysis, and I'll tell you right now, this is week number 5 of winning trade after winning trade with the Omni. 5 weeks, baby. Maybe we had one gold slip. It is just rocking them dead. If you like the analysis, if you like the Omni, if you like me, please share these videos, like them. I'm on Facebook. I'm on Twitter. I'm on Instagram. I'm on StockTwits. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm all over YouTube, as you guys know. And I'm live in a chat room at all times. But you know what I kind of need? More exposure, because there aren't enough of you out there that I'm helping. You can help me with that exposure. Please like these videos, share these videos, subscribe to these videos by clicking the subscribe link, then click the little alert, that little bell, click that alert as well, and you'll get notified every time I'm putting out a YouTube video. So please subscribe at YouTube, make sure you click the alerts, and get me known out there. Kids, come on now, like me on Facebook and everything else. Help me spread these videos so I can help you. Help me to help you. With that in mind, let's get moving. So what is on this crazy board for trading on 6/25/19? Red Omni, E-mini S&P, Russell, NASDAQ, and the usual suspects that travel along with that crowd. How about this, Omniacs? You need to say this with me. As a group, we're saying this together. Read this, and you're going to say this with me. Are you ready, Omniacs? 1, 2, 3. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. I gave you that on Friday after the close for what would happen Sunday through Monday in a video, and down we went. Thank you to that double top. Thank you, Omni, for such great analysis. I'm the Omni's messenger boy. I thank me for giving you that information, but it's all about the Omni method. You know that. If you'd like to learn the Omni method and be able to go 5 weeks without losing trades, you need to come to my Omni camp this September 19th, probably the last one for the year, and I will only invite 6 of you out. That's to this Omni camp, September 19th, 2019. I will personally teach you the Omni. The Omni is Oscar's market navigational indicator, and it is one of the best navigational indicators I've ever seen in 38 years in this business. 14 straight years I've been putting out the Omni in videos. My fans know it. Anyone who follows me know it. My children know it. The place I live reflects it. The Omni has been fantastic to us. I would love to teach the Omni to you so that you can learn to fish for yourselves and you would no longer need me. That will happen for you this September 19th at my Omni Camp. Come to livewithoscar.com and fill out your Omni Camp applications. Now, what is on this board? We're going to say this again because I like hearing it and you need to reinforce this in your mind. Once again, what I showed you on Friday afternoon for trading Sunday through Monday is the double top. And once again, what is the old adage? When we see a double top, we sell a double top. And what the S&P looks like right now is it went up and made a top, came down, made another top, and is sitting right here as I do this video. Came down from that double top and is breaking. And guess what Omni gave us? It had to sell the highs tonight before the crack can. Thank you, Omni. I will teach that to you at my Omni camp, I promise you. So, when we see a double top, we know that we're supposed to sell that double top, and not 100% of the double tops are going to work. That'll never happen in technical analysis. But from my experience, 80% or greater, the double tops will work. If you sold 100 double tops, you'd probably get 80 winning trades out of those 100 double tops. Not all will work, but if you sell them all, you will get the double top high percentage win in your favor. Then, gold and soybeans, bullish, bullish, bullish. Omni's been killing it in gold. Omni bought the lows in gold this evening already, and it rallied 10 points already. Come on, Omni, it's just going crazy. So, soybeans and gold are bullish. Do you know why the dollar is making this so? Let me show that to you in a chart segment. Then I've got the IWM, which is basically the Russell, which fits right in here with that red Omni, and Tesla. I've shown you how Tesla operates, how it runs to that certain 30-bar moving average and then cracks. And it worked, I don't know, 20 times in a row, maybe 15 in a row, where it went up to the 30-bar moving average and dumped. And it got to the 30-bar moving average the last couple of days, and people wrote and said, Oscar, what's going on? Tesla just keeps rallying. And I'm here to show you what's going on, kids. Yes, it rallied, but it only rallied right back to the same old usual spot. And now I think you can get short Tesla again. Traders, remember, Omni Camp, where I can teach all of this to you September 19th. With no further ado, let's go look at some of these wonderful charts. Okay, traders, chart you've seen in the very last video, Oscarism known as the F flag. Now we're down underneath the F flag. We failed at the top of the Oscarism known as an F flag and the 200-bar moving average. Failure right there, and here we are now. I say down we go tomorrow. Nice big fat down there. At least it should start off that way. We're already short. We stayed short. In fact, the Omni got us short on Monday evening, or Monday during the day, kept us short into Monday evening's close. We're still short now, and we shorted more on Monday night. Go Omniacs, go! So here we are. Then when we see that double top, we sell the double top. So I showed you this chart in Friday's video right after the close on Friday. So that's it, double top's in, we've got confirmation. Do you know where we are right now? Right about here. The market already cracked this evening, at least down to there. It might be even lower at this point. In fact, I think we are a little lower, but I'll just show you that illustration. Omni got us short right here this evening, and it's already down a lot after being short. So go Omni, go! So when we see a double top, we sell it. We're expecting at least one down day, and then we'll see where it goes after that. We are day traders. Gold, baby. Look at this thing rally. What a monster. You got above that double top. It did actually stop at the double top and drop, and we sold it that day, and we actually did really well. Then we went long, and we did well there, and we went long, and we did well there, and we got long, and we got long, and we keep getting long, and we keep getting winning trades. Trade after trade. Thank you, Omni. Thank you. And if you'd like to be part of these winning trades, I offer a 2-week trial of my Omni real-time trading recommendations. Just come to livewithoscar.com. Ask me for my 2-week free trial. And of course, Omni Camp. I'll teach you how to do this for yourselves. You won't need my free trial. Now let's look at the next chart, because boy, they interesting charts this evening. Soybeans. Beautiful looking chart at this point. Why? It's above my Omni average. It built what I like to call a bull flag. And if you're really good at analysis, you'll recognize that there's a trend line that comes from way back up here somewhere. Cuts right across the highs and comes right across here. So we broke out of that trend line as well. Nasty looking trend line, but it's actually straight. And we're above that, and the Omni's green. So I like what I see in soybeans. Please like, share, and subscribe to these videos so that you will be in tune and you will be notified every time I do another. Dollar index. This is why soybeans are strong. This is why gold is so strong. We do not break the 200-bar blue light special in the dollar unless something's amiss. Didn't break it here, big rally. Came back down only to the bottom of the channel, big rally. Down, hits the bottom of the channel, and what? The 200-bar moving average rallies out. Comes back, gets near it, rallies out. Again, gets into the 200-bar moving average and the trend line, rallies out, comes back down, and smash. This is where we are now. Look at the difference. Held, 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 held broke. That is different. The world sees it. The dollar is coming down a little bit. It will make commodities bullish, and it will make things like gold bullish. That's the way this works, and probably put a little bit of weight on the stock market. I'm assuming because you're breaking in the dollar and you're breaking in the stock market at the same time. So this will lean on the stock market as well. And that takes us out to something even more interesting. Bitcoin. Traders, remember I showed you this and I told you this is an absolute continuation pattern. Do not consider that a head and shoulders. It will rally out of here. What was I wrong? Rally, gap, rally, all the way to here so far. Monstrous rally. We like Bitcoin. Quick little story. You've heard this from me before. I have told you this in many videos, and I've told this to my chat room many times. I've been doing this professionally every minute of my life for 38 years, and I have told everybody eventually we're going to see something like this, and probably this year. What we'll see is Bitcoin will start to rally for no reason at all whatsoever. Just keep going, and so will gold. They will both come out of the woodwork. Nobody will know why. They will just start to slowly, quietly skyrocket, and those are 2 of my 5 signs that tell me the top is coming. So I've told you about other signs. 2 of them I see happening before my eyes. 2 others are already in place. There's about 1.5 signs missing, kids. I kid you not. We can't call this complete yet, these 2. Maybe one of them's complete, half of the other one is. But out of 5 signals I'm looking for, you've got like 3.5 of them in place right now, on average. So we're getting to a spot where eventually you're going to hear me call top, kids, but that's not coming today. For now, we've got a double top, and we're short-term day trading the double top on the short side in the E-mini S&P. For Bitcoin, we'd be buying dips because we were expecting this. Kids, I told you about it all the way from here, if you remember. I started telling you to get long this thing months ago, and boy, have we been right. The Omni has been all over it. A round of applause for the Omni. It has just been magical so far. And then we've got this. The IWM. This is the ETF for the Russell 2000. And I've shown this to you before, but I showed it to you when we were smartly in this channel. But look, we fell out of the channel, broke the 200 bar moving average, broke the 50 bar moving average, and dropped out of a strong channel. I'm going to blow up the exact same chart because this will tell you that Russell's going down tomorrow. Look at that now. Same chart, more blown up. Failure at the 50, breaks out of the average, comes down here. This guy belongs lower for trading on Thursday. Excuse me, for trading on Tuesday. And then we've got this. Traders, I mentioned Tesla. I've been telling you for how many months I do not like this chart. I love the car. I love the inventor. I love the whole idea behind it. I love SpaceX. I do not like this chart. Happens to be a Tesla chart. It's been ugly for months. You've heard me say this every time I look at it. And what I've shown you recently was that the market basically fails at the 30-bar moving average every time it gets to it. This time it didn't get as high as it. If it doesn't fail at the 30, it fails at the top of this channel. Okay? You can see it every time. Gets above the 30, fails at the top of the channel. Doesn't even get to the top of the channel, comes near the 30, fails. Above the 30, top of the channel, failure. Above the 30, top of the channel, failure. Doesn't get to the 30, fails. Doesn't get to the 30, fails. Then we get out of the channel, come back in. What just happened? We got above the 30-bar moving average and started to come down already. That's probably set up for another drop. Now, you just about hit the top of the channel, too. And you've noticed when you do that, the next thing is down, right? So I think it's starting to set up for some downside, Tesla. Maybe a teeny more upside, and then back down we go, unless we completely break out of this pattern and go up here for a while. And then, of course, we'll start changing our thought process. For now, this is what it is, and I'm not going to say we're out of that pattern by any means. Keep your eyes on the short side of Tesla. Traders, those are the charts I wanted to show you. Come on down to livewithoscar.com. Join me in my free trading room. So, traders, you've seen the charts, and if you like the analysis that you just seen, and you have to like what I just showed you, stop what you're doing right this second. Look down, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you get notified when I do these YouTube videos. They're geared to show you what's going to happen the next day, so you got to watch them when they come out fresh. Subscribe and hit the alert button so you know you're going to get them. All right, traders, that's about it. I'm out of here. I'm going back down to my office. I'll see you cats live at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. Remember to keep your emotions out of this bad boy. Keep your powder dry. Put your stops in first. And say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. I will see you all in my trading room at livewithoscar.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.